Hello students. My name is Birbal Kumar, your maths teacher. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. This is our question 6 from exercise 14.3. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and frequency distributions of the numbers of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. This is the question, class interval, and this is the number of surnames, this frequency. Median we have already solved in the previous video. Now we are going to solve the median or mean and also find the model size. We are going to find out the mode also. Okay, this is the question. We are going to solve this question number 6 from assume mean methods. Okay, exercise 14.3. Now first of all, this is a question. We have to find out the mid value. As we know that in mean we have to find out the mid value from class interval. This is our lower limit, this is our upper limit. The lower limit plus upper limit, what I will get? 1 plus 5 I will get 1 plus 4 I will get 5, divided by 2 I will get 2.5. You see, I am doing 1 plus 4 divided by 2 I will get 2.5. Again here 4 plus 7 divided by 2. If I plus this one, 4 plus 7 is our 11. If I divide by 2 I will get 5.5. Okay, now you see 2.5 and 5.5. What is that? The difference is what? You can see the difference is 3. So we can add 3 in each value. Okay, if I add value 3 over here, I will get here 8.5, and also you will get the mid value from here also same. 7 plus 10, what is 17? 17 divided by 2, what you will get? 8.5. Okay, again if I add again 3 over here, I will get 11.5, here 14.5, and here 17.5. Okay, now I have to take the assuming. Let's take the assuming this one A. Okay, we can take any value as the assuming. Okay, first now I have taken this one 11.5 as assuming. Now di is equal to xi minus a. Okay, so di is equal to xi minus, xi is our mid value and a is our assuming, right? So I have to minus xi, this is this xi and this assuming in this. If I minus 11.5 minus 11.5, I will get here 0. Again this is our xi, 8.5 minus 11.5, because xi is x 8.5 is our xi and 11.5 is our a assuming. If I minus this with this, I will get minus 3. If I minus 5.5 with 11.5, I will get minus 6. Again 2.5 minus 11.5, I will get minus 9, because the difference is 3. But remember that if we go upper, we have to get negative, we'll get negative value. Okay, and downside we will get the positive value. Now we have to minus 11.5 minus 14.5 minus 11.5. What I will get? Positive 3. You see, 14.5 minus 11.5, I will get positive. Here also 17.5 minus 11.5, I will get positive 6. Okay, now I have to multiply with f. Okay, this value, this is our f, this value and this value we have to multiply. If I multiply, what I will get? 6 9s are 54, 6 3s are 18, this one and this 4 3s are 12, 1 20, 16 zeros are 0, 4 3s are 12, 4 6 24. If I add this one, so it will be 4 4, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 2 15, 1 carry, 1 2 3, minus 354. If I add this value, I will get here 6, and this one is our 3. If I calculate sigma fi di, minus 354 plus 36, what I will get? Let's see. If I give here carry, it will be 14. 14 minus 6, 14 minus 6, I will get here 8. Now it will be 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus 0, it will be here 3. As we know that this sign is bigger minus, so I have to give here minus 318. Okay. And frequency, what is the frequency total? This one is our 4, right? So if I add this one, I will get sigma fi. Sigma fi is our 100. Okay. Now we'll use the formula. By using formula, we get, by using formula, if we get this one, mean, what is the formula? A plus sigma fi di sigma fi. What is our SU mean? SU mean is our 11.5 plus, what is sigma fi di is minus 318 divided by 100. Okay. 11.5 plus minus 318 divided by 100. So 11.5, there is a, in denominator there is 20, we have to move over here on the left hand side 2 times, so 3.18. so if I minus, I will get 3.32. okay, you see, minus, if you minus 3.18, it will be 0, it will be 2 over here. 4 minus 1 3, it will be 11 minus 3, it is 8.32. okay. Now we are going to find out the mode from the same question. Now we have to see what in mode, what do we have to see? We have to see the highest frequency, where the model class will lie, right? The model class will lie over, this is the highest frequency, so you make this one box. Okay, so model class will lies over here, so I can write here since the highest frequency is 40, which lies between the median class, or between the model class, 7 to 10. okay, 7 to 10. so we can say this one is our f1, this is our f0, this is our f2, right? So what we call f1, frequency of the model class. So I can write over here frequency frequency of the model class, that is frequency of the model class f1 is our 40, frequency of the preceding model class, that is f0, that is 30, frequency of the succeeding model class, that is f2 will be, it is 16. Now we'll apply the formula. By applying formula, mod is equal to the formula is L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Okay, what is our L? L is our lower limit, L is our 7. What is our f1? f1 is our 40, f2 f1 is our 40, f0 is our 30, class size is our 3, 2 into 40 is 30, and f2 is our 16. 7, if I minus, I will get here 10, 80 minus 30 minus 16 will get 46. 7 plus here is 3, so if I multiply, I will get 30. 80 minus 46, 80 minus 46, 4, it will be here 3, right? We can cancel by 2. 2 15s 30, 2 17s 34, so I'll get here 7 plus 15 by 17. If I divide, let's see what I will get. 17 divided by 15, it's not possible to divide, so what I have to write here? Decimal 0. How many times? 17 8s 136. I'll get here 4 1. Again I have to give a 0. Okay, 17 8s 136, 4. Now here to give a 0. 17 1 is 17, 17 2 is 34. So after decimal we have written 3 digits. 7 plus what I have got here, 0.882. So what I will get here, 7.88. okay, these are answer for mode. Okay, if there is any doubt, please comment in the comment below. Okay, thank you.